We are here in Fletcher, North Carolina at Raven Rock Mountain at the Divide Cottage. This place is incredible. Let's check it out.
We are Nikki and Hayden, the creators behind Journey More. We are a young married couple traveling all over to find the most unique Airbnbs out there and share them with you.
When we got here, we were amazed by how over the top the owner, Doug, has really gone to create a luxury cottage at the top of this mountain. These massive stones making up the staircase as well as the foundation of the cottage to raise it up to get both views out the front and the back. It is breathtaking up here. Another thing that I love about this cottage are all of the tree trunk, tree branch rails and columns all the way around. They're massive, and we've never really seen anything like this before on an Airbnb. Let's go up here to the porch. When you get up to the front door, the first thing you're gonna wanna do is not open the door, but turn around and see these incredible views. This spans all the way across the front porch, just getting to look out for miles and miles. Coming over here, we're actually one of the first people to stay here. Doug hasn't fully completed the place yet. He was thinking about hanging a swing right here. I think that he should do it, but we'll see what he decides to do. Coming around the side, this cottage does have a full wraparound porch. As you can see behind me, beautiful views out this side. This is the South Carolina side, so you can actually see into South Carolina from this point. And then over here to my right are some of the amenities. First is this granite countertop seating area, perfect for enjoying a meal with a view. Behind me is the kitchen. Doug has outfitted this place with everything that you would want, including a fridge, a stove top, all of your utensils that you need for cooking, including a pot and a pan, plenty of water while you're here, and then in the bathroom back here, you've got a walk-in shower here with plenty of hot water, the same with the sink, and then a flushing toilet. So literally everything that you could want of those modern comforts. This is one of the last things that Doug has to finish. As you can see, it's still an open face here. He's actually gonna bring those stones all up over the face of this bathroom here to where it kind of looks like a hobbit hole back here. And so it's really gonna tie in the whole cottage together when he gets it done. We're excited to see that completed. Over here is definitely one of my favorite amenities at this cottage, and that is this massive fire pit. He's got this giant stone that you can sit on, enjoy the fire, overlooking the mountains back here. This really is the spot. But we can't wait to have a fire here tonight. I'm super excited to be spending time with Nikki here at the Divide Cottage. Speaking of Nikki, I'm gonna turn it over to her so she can show you the inside.
Welcome inside this incredible cottage. The first thing that you notice when you walk through the front door is this massive chandelier that is the focal point for this whole place. And the walls are made up of natural wood, giving you that cozy cottage feel with a touch of luxury. Also, they have a nice, comfortable queen bed with side tables and little lamps. And this cottage does have electricity, so you can charge your phone at night. They don't have heating and air, but they do have a small electric heater as well as a wood-burning stove that keeps this place nice and toasty. So we actually stayed the night here last night and it dropped down into about the 30s, but this thing kept it so warm in here to a point where we actually got a little hot under the covers when it was fully raging with the fire inside. So it is perfect for this little space to control the temperatures. And then there are plenty of windows to open in the summer to keep the airflow in here going, so it's great. Right across from the stove is this cute little cow cowhide couch that you can sit and enjoy the fire and the views, as well as a matching cowhide chair, which is so cute. And then again, there are views surrounding this place. They have plenty of windows to allow you to see the views at all times, but the best part is this huge glass garage door that you can open all the way up and walk out right into my favorite view of the whole place, because there's a lot. The view out the front. We are so excited to enjoy this place tonight.
Our stay here at the Divide Cottage at Raven Rock Mountain was nothing short of breathtaking. The owner, Doug, built this and envisioned this himself and really made it come to life to become probably one of my favorite stays that we've done. And the reason that he named it the Divide Cottage is the cottage actually sits right on the Eastern Continental Divide line. And so he said if you're sleeping on the right side of the bed, you're on the Atlantic side of the line. And then if you're on the left side of the bed, you're sleeping on the Gulf side. And so that line literally runs right through the middle of the cottage. And so that's why he chose that name. And he actually built this with the purpose of being a honeymoon suite. And so they do elopements here at Raven Rock, which is beautiful. I'm sure that would be amazing.
Oh my gosh, yes.
And they're gonna start doing like small weddings, but this is that honeymoon suite for after that. And if you're interested in elopements or a wedding here, you can go to ravenrock.com. They've got all that information there, as well as information for their other amazing rentals here on the mountain.
Yes, there are 3 total, and if you haven't seen our other video of this property, we got to stay in their Raven Rock Treehouse that is 50 feet in the air. It's amazing. Watch that video right after this one. And they also have the Cabin on the Rock, which is a really cute little cabin literally on a rock, so you'll have to check that out as well. But you can find all of these places in the description below. We will link all 3, and you can get more info about them on their website. If you are an owner of an amazing Airbnb or short-term rental and you want us to feature your place, you can reach us at journeymore.com. We would love to work with you. But for now, come journey more with us,
and we'll see you next time. Parkour.
Have myself a fire, and a comfy, and I'll never be cold.
Again, I just love these handrails. They're awesome. If I could put these on my own house, I would. Which I might one day when Nikki and I build our own house. We'll see.